Well, Ordnance Survey is the national mapping agency for Great Britain, and we're responsible for producing the geospatial content layer, if you like, framework, underpinning reference framework for UK PLC. So our data is used in any number of applications across any number of industries. For this challenge, we've teamed up with the Hampshire Hub, which is a national centre of excellence around open data. So they've received a considerable level of funding to promote the use internally of open data from Hampshire Local Authority. They have produced a very good resource, online resource, and so they don't just capture the data, but they also pull it in and disseminate it and encourage the use of it. And that resource is there in terms of access to the data that they have, and also just a sense check of the application that's being provided. The particular challenge that we're looking at, we believe, is targeted or will have most relevance within the local authority community, and this is a very, very good partner to actually trial with, so we're hoping that we can actually utilise their services, and they're also a great source of data and expertise. If you take the term future cities to mean an approach to solve some very big, hairy problems that are facing our cities today, so things such as overcrowding, transportation, energy consumption. These are hairy problems because they're persistent, they've been around for forever, but they're all due to get significantly worse. And the thing that's driving that sort of impending time bomb is just the sheer size and acceleration of population growth. And in particular, certainly within the UK and Western cultures, that population has a rather interesting dynamic to it, in that it's an aging one. People are living for longer and they're more active in their lifestyles for longer. And that has a very particular impact in terms of cost of services. So we're going to start experiencing very, very quickly some acute pressures on our health systems and also our social care, because there is a changing dynamic. You know, these people want to be independent for longer. They want to live in their homes, and it's going to be important that we can provide the services to do that. So we need to think very, very differently about healthcare and social care. And so this challenge is about how we can use location to drive additional efficiencies and insights into data. There is a wealth of information on our website. There's a set of pages around this particular challenge, which will give you information about how to access the data. So we have a range of data sets and services that are available specifically for this challenge. Being very specific in the application and having a very well targeted solution, I think, would be quite important. And then finally, I suspect issues of privacy might be something that will need to be explicitly addressed in there as well somewhere. So those would be my 3 handy tips.